Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to give you the total MBBS seats available in India. I'm also going to give you the state-wise breakdown of the number of seats. You will also find the number of seats in government colleges and the number of seats in private colleges. Again, state-wise, I'm going to give you the breakdown. So stay with me until the end of this video to get all the details. Now the total seats is 79,955 seats. That's close to about 80,000 seats in all the colleges in India. That is about 542 government colleges and private colleges, deemed universities, all put together to have about 542 colleges in India as of 6th June 2020. Okay, where did I get this data? The data I got it from the Medical Council of India website. So is this going to be the exact number for this year? I'm not sure. The number could slightly vary. The number could slightly increase. But as of now, you can be sure of about 80,000 seats for this year. Now the government colleges, there are about 280 colleges and they offer about 42,265 seats. We have 262 private colleges which offer about 37,690 seats. Now out of the 42,265 government college seats, about 15% of the seats go to All India quota. So it might come close to around 6,000 seats. Okay, I'm putting it at slightly lower number. Okay, if you exactly calculate 15%, it might be close to about 6,300 or so. But I'm putting it at slightly lower number because not all government colleges are contributing to the 15% All India quota. I'm not sure what is the reason. Certain states, I have checked, certain colleges are not contributing the seats. So probably I want to be a little bit conservative. So I believe it should be somewhere around 6,000 seats. So now let's look at the state-wise breakdown of these 80,000 seats we are talking about. The first state, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It has only one government college and it contributes 100 seats. There are no private colleges here. The second one, Andhra Pradesh, has 13 government medical colleges which offer 2,410 seats. And it contains 18 private colleges contributing 2,800 seats. So all in all, Andhra Pradesh has 5,210 seats. So here you need to take note when I say private colleges, it also includes all the private self-financing colleges as well as those colleges that comes under the deemed universities. Arunachal Pradesh has only one government college that contributes 50 seats. Assam has 1,000 seats, all of them coming from 7 government colleges. There are no private colleges here. Bihar has 10 government colleges that contributes 1,240 seats. And there are 6 private colleges that contribute 700 seats. Chandigarh has 1 government college contributing 150 seats. Chhattisgarh has 7 government colleges that contribute 770 seats, while there are 3 private colleges contributing 450 seats. All in all, Chhattisgarh has 1,220 seats. Dadra and Nagar Haveli has 1 government college contributing 150. Delhi has 8 government colleges which contributes 1,222 seats. And there are 2 private colleges that contributing 200 seats. Goa has 1 government college with 180 seats. Gujarat has 17 government colleges that contribute 3,650 seats. So here you need to take note that when I say government colleges, it's not just pure government colleges. In certain states, they have this kind of public-private model, like particularly in Gujarat, they have like public-private model. These 3,650 seats in government colleges include both government colleges as well as government societies. They call it government societies. That is also included. And then we have 12 private colleges in Gujarat contributing 1,850 seats. So totally we have 5,500 seats in Gujarat. In Haryana, there are 5 government colleges with 710 seats. And there are 7 private colleges with 850 seats. So totally Haryana has 1,560 seats. Himachal Pradesh has 6 government colleges with 720 seats, 1 private college with 150 seats. Totally, Himachal Pradesh has 870 seats. Jammu and Kashmir has 7 government colleges with 885 seats and 1 private college with 100 seats. Totally, Jammu and Kashmir has 985 seats. Jharkhand has 7 government colleges that contribute 630 seats. There are no private colleges. Karnataka is the biggest state in terms of the number of seats available for MBBS. They have a total of 9,345 seats. It has 19 government colleges that contribute 2,900 seats. And it is also the state with the maximum number of private colleges, the maximum number of private college seats. Karnataka has 41 private colleges with 6,445 seats. Kerala, there are 10 government colleges which contribute 1,555 seats. There are 22 private colleges that contribute 2,550 seats. Totally, Kerala has 4,105 seats. Madhya Pradesh, 14 government colleges, 2,040 seats. 8 private colleges with 1,300 seats. Totally, Madhya Pradesh has 3,340 seats. Maharashtra is the second biggest state after Karnataka. It contains 8,900 seats. It is also the state with maximum number of government college seats. It has 25 government colleges and it has 4,330 seats that come under government colleges. 31 private colleges contain 4,570 seats. Manipur has 2 government colleges with 225 seats. Meghalaya has 1 government college that contribute 50 seats. Mizoram has 1 government college with 100 seats. Orissa, 8 government colleges and 1,250 seats. It also has 4 private colleges with 700 seats. Pondicherry or Puducherry, it has 2 government colleges that contributes 380 seats. So the 2 government colleges include JIPMER. Actually, both JIPMER Puducherry and Karaikal is combined as 1 college in the MCI website. So I have reported accordingly. So the two colleges, Indira Gandhi Medical College and JIPMER. And then it has 7 private colleges with 1,150 seats. So totally Pondicherry contains 1,530 seats. Punjab, 4 government colleges, 650 seats. 6 private colleges, 775 seats. Totally 1,425 seats. Rajasthan, 15 government colleges, 2,700 seats. 8 private colleges, 1,300 seats. Totally, Rajasthan has 4,000 seats. Sikkim, there is only 1 private college that contribute 50 seats. Tamil Nadu has 7,550 seats, the third biggest state in terms of the number of seats. It has 26 government colleges that contribute 3,650 seats. So in fact, these include ESIC medical colleges, IRT Perundurai and Raja Mutaya Medical College. It also has 24 private colleges that contribute 3,900 seats. Telangana has 4,940 seats, 11 government colleges and 1,790 seats, 22 private colleges with 3,150 seats. Tripura has 1 government college with 125 seats and 1 private college with 100 seats. Totally 225 seats. Uttarakhand has 4 government colleges and 525 seats, 2 private colleges and 300 seats. Totally, there are 825 seats. Uttar Pradesh has 26 government colleges, 3,078 seats. 29 private colleges, 3,600 seats. Totally, UP has 6,678 seats. West Bengal, there are 19 government colleges with 3,050 seats and 6 private colleges with 700 seats. Totally, West Bengal has 3,750 seats. So that brings us to the end of the number of seats in India. So totally for the year 2020 admission, we have about 80,000 seats in India. So I hope you find this information useful. Please subscribe to this channel, and you also see right now in the screen, there will be a video that is displaying, which you may also like. Thank you very much. See you soon in some other video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.